Today I'm going to be making some welding fingers. These right here. I actually made 2 of them. And they're not a thing of beauty, but they're not really intended to be. They're just to hold the, when you're welding 2, especially small parts together, you need something just to kind of hold it down, like you would with your finger like that, to be able to weld it. So I made this cone shape on the metal lathe. You could do that with an angle grinder, or a file would take you a long time, but you could heat this up and beat it into a cone. A lot of different ways to do it. It was just easier for me to do it on a metal lathe. And then I bent these corners and just welded it together with my MIG welder. All right, let's get started. Alright, so here's our rod and the vise, and we want to take and just measure the distance from this tip to the bend. Doesn't have to be exact. Something like that. I'm going to mark it with a little bit of soapstone so it doesn't burn off. And now we're going to take this tip, which I could have used to bend it, but I forgot I had it actually, and use it to heat this up. This tip comes with this torch. It's for heating up pipes, to solder them. You can just rest it on there. You don't have to sit here and hold it. All right, it's been right at 5 minutes. Alright, I've got a right angle magnet over there on the right, holding it to a right angle, and then I've got the back end just kind of held to the right height. And now I'm just going to put a weld on there. Alright, so that's got this project done. These are going to come in real handy. I'm sure you'll be seeing them as I'm welding stuff in the future. Hope this was helpful to you, or at least interesting. Thank you for watching.